Hello guys, how are you? I'm Antonis Zanidakis, aka Sir Vagabond, and we are back on Stamperia YouTube with one more video about art stories, the new line from Stamperia with amazing products. So today, the main focus is the sparkling coat, a black paste that has a little bit hidden sparkle inside. And of course, we're going to use some Misty paints just to show you a little bit how you can blend on top. So I have a great idea about today. We're going to work on the sample tags that comes also from the same collection, but don't take me wrong, it's not only for samples. It's easy to create samples here and then you do something bigger, or you can practice, but it's amazing tag, perfect size for mixed media as well. And I'm going to use also one of my designs with art stories with Stamperia, new stencil A3 size, just because we love them. Very beautiful texture for backgrounds and everything. So I'm gonna put the camera from the top so you can see all the details and see you again at the end. Let's start with our tag. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the sparkling coat, black texture, to just cover the whole tag and just have a black base. Now remember that this is a paste, it's not paint, but still you can have a thin layer. And the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to use my spatula. This is more, you see, it's like more liquid, so it's much easier to apply on a flat surface. And basically, I'm going to use one of the tools and just get a perfect, look how easy it is to apply. I mean, it wouldn't be the same easy with this spatula, but with this tool, it's just so easy to go and apply on a surface. Now I'm gonna get a little bit more and then have my tool and going to cover the whole surface. Now, the truth is that it doesn't sparkle too much right now, but when the paste dries, all the hidden glitter is going to come out. I'm gonna just do that. Have a perfect surface. This is the perfect tool just to have very even surface, very nice, just like that. And now I'm going to let it dry and just wait to see the magic, the sparkle coming up. I want to show you a little bit before it dries. So it looks a little bit glittery, but this is because of the light. And just wait to see what's gonna happen when it dries. After we dry, we have a very rough surface. This thing dries very fast, especially now in Greece. I leave it outside, we have 30 degrees, just probably 10 minutes and it's already dry. Now, I don't know in the camera if you can see the sparkles, but I can tell you that as soon as you get this paste and you have it at home and you see it in person, you will see all the glitter just sitting there. It's just amazing. That you can get black, but also a little bit like shine through the black. It's very beautiful paste. Now, what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to use the stencil. Now, I will tell you something. We could do the stenciling also at the end with a sparkling coat, but it's two ways. I mean, I want to have the texture and I want to be blended with the colors all together, but could be also as a final result, using the stencil and have this beautiful black like as a final touch on your project, but we will do that in another video. I just feel that I want to go with my original idea, and very easy, open, take your palette knife. Now I'm going to use my palette knife, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a thick layer, not everywhere, I don't want to cover the whole thing, I want to kind of have like mixed texture. Just like that, a thick layer, and of course afterwards we are going to let it dry. So basically the same paste, and maybe I will do also this one. I kind of feel like I need to. Okay, so thick layer with a stencil, of course, very easy also to apply, and then we remove the stencil and you can see also the beautiful texture. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So you see the difference? So let me show you a little bit on the camera. So let me stand up. So look the difference. I don't know if you can see it, like it's different when it's not dry. So anyway, so that's all. Let's dry very well and then we're back. After the paste dries very well, we're ready to play on top and create some different shades. We have here Misty paint and Misty paint. The one is bronze metallic and the other one is the tropic ocean. So we're gonna blend a little bit the classic Misty paint and also the metallic on top, might with dry brush also at the end, but look how shiny it is. And this is no wet, this is fully dry. The shine is because of the sparkling, the hidden glitter that this paste has. And so let's go. Let's go use first the tropic ocean. So I just want to have a little bit of texture. So that's why I'm gonna just start first with this color. Again, I'm saying that it's up to you if you want to just use different colors. It's up to you, this is just ideas. But might you like the combination I do? So I'm gonna use the stencil brush, the Stamperia, the big one, and I will just go in some areas and I will just dab and then I will just spray water. Look guys how everything starts blending together, and I will just use my spray. I don't want to cover the whole thing, so that's why I will just use spray to just blend around, and always a lot of water, and then I will just let it drip. I can always force the color to just go around with a spray, and when I like the result, because the truth is that I don't want to cover fully, I just want to have this nice effect, and this is what the Misty paint can do actually. And the funny thing is that I can see the black, and as soon as everything dries, the shimmer, the glitter, it will always come up. So basically, I'm going to dry, maybe I will take a baby white first and kind of like shape the area I want to stay with the blue, and then I'm going to dry 100%. After the paint dries completely, now I'm going to get the Misty paint, but the bronze metallic. Now, the funny thing is about Misty paints, I told you so many times also in previous videos, that you can do everything. It's fun that you can just spray and just everything blends, and then at the same time, you can just dry brush. And I'm gonna take a little bit with my Stamperia, my stencil brush, and always I'm going to just clean on a paper, and I'm going very lightly on my surface here. Look this nice shine. But you have to be careful, you don't want to have so much paint on your brush. So as you can see, I keep going with the same paint. I'm not adding another layer, because the whole trick is just doing that without having so much paint. That's why I call it dry brush. Without means that if you want to add, let's say I want to add a little bit more, right? So I will take more paint, and then let's say here, down here, I just want to have more. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, I can do that. Like in this area, let's say in this corner here, I just want to have more. So yeah, I will just add more color, and I will just go and dry brush more hard, just to kind of like get this kind of like more metallic bronze here, but I want this to be less. At the same time, I will just go, just to balance this here, I will just go and add more up here. And then with the leftover, I'm going to just dry brush the rest. Misty paints is for everything. This is the good thing and the playful thing about these paints. You're gonna love them. It's so many things you can do, because somebody said in live, the presentation we did, that is like aqua color. No, it's not aqua color. You cannot dry brush with aqua color, but you can dry brush with Misty paints, but also they blend perfectly with water. So many things you can do. Look this beauty, guys. Look at that. Look this beauty. Come on, you would want to have this on your furniture or on your wall. And here are the black. I don't know if you can see the camera. It's not very easy to see these things in the camera, but we have like glitter from the black. We have the metallic vibe from the bronze, from the Misty paint. It's just amazing, all the things you can do. The close-ups, I think, they're gonna show more. And now, basically it's up to you how much of the bronze, the Misty paint you want to put in some areas. It's totally up to you, okay? You're just playing around and you just add the amount you want. I think for me is already done. Let me add a little bit up there because I have this wood edge, and maybe like just a little bit here. And this is the final result for today. Very beautiful background using metallic Misty paint, normal tropic ocean, bronze, metallic, and the sparkling coat, very important. Just give this amazing black base with a little bit glitter. And with few tools, we just have a beautiful, amazing result. And I'm sure you enjoy it. Such a beautiful background for your furniture, walls, and mixed media projects. What an amazing background we create today, guys, together. A lot of ideas, a lot of techniques. That's a very beautiful background, and if you think about it, just with 3 products. 2 Misty paints, 1 metallic, of course, and the sparkling coat, the black hidden sparkle paste. Amazing just for base, stenciling, and everything. This is just a few ideas. Of course, we're gonna use these products in the future to create other things, new ideas, new techniques. But that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching Stamperia YouTube. I'm Antonis Zanidakis, aka Sir Vagabond. And of course, because more video coming and more ideas, turn the notification bell on and subscribe to not miss any of the future videos. Thank you very much and see you on the next one. Bye, guys.